One of the greatest gifts from God is music and our ability to worship Him through it. As I became a member of First Baptist Church in the fall of 1988, the music ministry here became a refuge for me. My name is Betty Baggett. I am married to a wonderful man named Larry. We met in November of 2003 and began a 2-year journey of dating and spending time together. And on January 14th, 2006, we were married. We love being together, watching our Texas Rangers play baseball, riding our motorcycles, and scuba diving together. We have no children, but I have 2 nephews and 1 niece that I consider mine and thoroughly enjoy. Larry has 2 grown daughters. I'm employed at Higginbotham & Associates, an independent insurance agency in downtown Fort Worth. I've worked there for a little over 10 years, where I manage a team and am involved with the management of 2 of our outer offices. The Lord has blessed me beyond my comprehension in so many ways. When I joined the church in December of 1988, I had just lost my husband of almost 4 years. He died suddenly from a massive heart attack. At that most difficult time in my life, I'll be honest, I asked God why. I was fortunate to have been born into a Christian home to loving parents who cared for me and my younger sister. We attended church sporadically during our childhood, but the Christian influence always remained present in our family. Through a lot of encouragement from my family and Pastor Mike Milburn, who conducted the funeral for my husband, I attended a service at First Baptist. Near the end of that service, the preacher began to explain the plan of salvation. And although it was a story I knew well, I realized it was a story I had never responded to personally. And so on that evening, I asked the Lord to forgive me of my sins, to come into my life, and to save me, and to help me through the most difficult situation I'd ever faced in my life. And He did. I have no doubt that He did. I joined First Baptist and became very involved in the music ministry. I am a member of the choir and have served over the years as choir president. I also enjoy singing in the ladies' ensemble, and one of my greatest enjoyments comes from my involvement with the Hosanna Handbell Choir. This fall I will begin my 23rd year as director of that group. We play the bells outside the church as often as possible to share the joy of knowing the Lord through the gift of music. I love this church, the relationships I have here, and most importantly, the opportunity to serve Him. I'm convinced that He has incredible things in the future for First Baptist. And so as I look back over the years and the times I've asked God why, I can honestly say He was in control in every circumstance. He's in control this very minute. He uses difficult situations in our lives to bring about His will. In my case, it brought me to Him and has allowed me to play a part in the music ministry, which I love so much. I will end with my favorite verse in the Bible, and it is so true. Romans 8:28. God does indeed work all things together for good to them that love God and are called according to His purpose.